truggy national champ.
Oh, he is? Yeah. I didn't know that. Like I said, I'm new, so I don't have all the stats yet.
No, it's still low. Okay. But yeah, he ripped the beat track.
Yeah, no shit. Oh my god. Like the fact that you can break, like, that's fucking crazy. Yeah, he's almost triple in the step down. Oh.
Jealous.
Dude. That's on a whole nother level. Like the fact
it's on a level of the car being able to perform that well. Like, if I push my shit that hard, my gears would be fucking grinding.
Well, it helps when you get shit. Yeah.
Like the brake watch.
Yeah.
There's the brake still.
Gonna get those in my feet.
Yeah, that's on another level. I'm actually gonna get out there. Brandon Rose doing laps. Oh. Jesus Christ. That's on a whole nother level. Oh. That's just ridiculous. Oh, come on, dude. That's ridiculous.